Hi, why you late? Chalo, let's sit for dinner. Why are you pulling up that nose? Fed up of routine food, right? Chalo, I'll make you a quick eggplant baked dish with a dash of cheese and you are going to love it. Chalo, let's start our dish. So here I've taken an eggplant which is washed nicely and I'm going to cut it into roundels. The roundels don't have to be very thick or very thin, just a nice medium size. We sprinkle a little salt, just about a quarter of a teaspoon, so that the eggplant is not bland. Here you have two options. Either you can air fry them or you can just put it on a pan and do it with a little oil. Put in a little cooking oil. Now we put the eggplant. We cook these on low flame till they are nicely cooked on both the sides. Just with a knife, soft 2-3 slashes. Even if it doesn't get cooked completely in the pan, it's fine because we are going to bake it anyways. We just flip this again. So you can see that this is cooked. This is the right color that we need. As you can see, it's done from both the sides very well. Let's continue with the rest of the eggplant and we will cook it the same way. We are done with our eggplant. Now we will fry the potatoes. Just adding a little salt to the potatoes. Put in a little cooking oil. Add the salted potatoes. Fry the potatoes till they are semi-cooked. You can see they are semi-cooked. This not so much, but then that's okay. It will be going into the oven as well. Just thinner slices have cooked faster. Now I shall remove them in the tray. So let's proceed making the sauce. We are going to be making two sauces. One is a tomato sauce and one is the white sauce. Now we will cut the spring onions. We are done with chopping of the 3 spring onions. And now we will cut the greens. We chop the greens finely, that the greens are great cleansers. Let's pour in some olive oil. 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. We'll just cook the garlic till the rawness goes away. Now we will add in the spring onions. We'll cook them till they are slightly soft. Now we add in 4 pureed tomatoes. You can make this sauce with raw tomatoes also, or the other option is you can make the marinara sauce, whatever suits you. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 small teaspoon of black pepper, small teaspoon of red chilli powder, and we stir it. Our tomatoes are cooked very nicely. Now I will add in about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then I just stir some basil leaves into it. We add in a few greens or spring onions. Add a wee bit of water. We mix this well. So the consistency of the sauce is a little flowy. We've given the sauce one quick boil and our sauce is ready. It's nice and very tangy. Pour in a little olive oil, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. But you have another option. You can also add in oats flour if you like. We just wait for the flour to cook a little. You can see the color of the flour change. It has been nicely cooked. Now we add in 1 glass of milk. Stir it well. Here we have added half milk and half water. We have diluted it so the sauce is light and not heavy. We have to stir it very well so that there are no lumps. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it well. Add in the sprigs of green onion. We add in a little bit of mozzarella cheese and we just stir it. The tomato sauce as well as the white sauce both are ready. Now we will layer our dish. We pour in some olive oil and just brush it nicely. We have lined the dish with the red sauce. Now we put in the white sauce. We added mozzarella cheese. Now layer the eggplant. We add the potatoes. We add in another layer of sauce. Now we add in the white sauce. We added mozzarella cheese. You can do it totally cheesy if you want. But if you want to cut out on the calories, then you can add breadcrumbs. I add panko, that is the breadcrumbs. So here our eggplant baked is ready. Now you'll put it in the oven to bake for about 12 minutes or 15 minutes. But basically as soon as the cheese and the crumbs brown, you can take it out because everything inside is cooked as it is. Oh, you're just in time. Please come. Your baked eggplant cheesy dish is ready. Please dive into it because it's really special and interesting.